Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another episode of The Wonders of Science with Mr. Whybrew. Today is episode 14, and we're going to talk about what is a desert, and we're going to also talk about our fun science fact of the day, in addition to this fun scientific information already. So, what is a desert? Well, I'm sure for most of us, the image that comes to our mind is that one, when we hear desert, we think of someplace that's dry. It's a sandy place and there's little to no water. We think of maybe movies we've seen like Aladdin, where you just see sand as far as the eye can see. You look to the east, the west, the north, the south, and all you see is sand. While that is true, that is one type of a desert, it's not the only type. A desert, actually by definition, is a location that has less precipitation than it does have evaporation. So what are those words? Well, precipitation, as I show, one form of it obviously we know is rain. We can think about sleet, snow. Those are some examples of precipitation. And evaporation is simply when that stuff, that liquid is coming back up, when water is returning back up into the atmosphere and going up into the clouds, and then eventually it will condensate, and then it will actually precipitate. That means it'll rain down. So that's what precipitation and evaporation is. So a desert is somewhere where they get less precipitation than there is evaporation. In other words, that H2O returning back upward and not going down into the soil. All right, ladies and gentlemen, now let's move on to our fun science fact of the day, and that is the platypus. If you don't know what it is, you should look it up. The platypus is actually not so cute and cuddly as maybe some of you might think. The male platypus, for example, has a venomous spur on its hind foot which is capable of dispensing a poison that, get this, can kill a medium-sized dog. That is no want to cuddle. Aww. That's watch out. He poke you, no good. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this has once again been another fun episode of The Wonders of Science with Mr. Whybrew. Remember, there will be a question at the end of the video. Please check it out. Have a nice day. Goodbye.